SMG provides metallurgical turnkey project solutions for global customers. As a world-leading supplier of metallurgical turnkey projects, SMG is committed to customizing cost-effective turnkey steel production line solutions for every client. In this episode, SMG takes you through stunning real-site footage for a comprehensive analysis of the coking plant. Black gold surges forward along the veins of industry, gifts from nature accumulated over hundreds of millions of years. They are about to undergo a transformative rebirth within this purgatory-like complex of facilities. The massive coal charging system operates with the pinpoint precision of a compass tracing its orbit, handling thousands of tons of weight with micrometer-level accuracy. Every mechanical meshing and every material conveyance forms a seamlessly orchestrated industrial symphony. The towering and robust coke oven locomotive advances calmly along the track. This colossal steel machine moves steadily forward at a constant speed. The tightly sealed door of the carbonization chamber lifts and unfurls gently, with the sturdy heat-resistant furnace body opening slowly. The heavy oven doors swing wide open, unleashing a sudden surge of blazing crimson incandescent flames. Raw coal is subjected to continuous high-temperature carbonization over dozens of hours inside the hermetically sealed oven chamber, undergoing a complete restructuring and transformation of its internal molecular framework. The heavy-duty, high-torque coke pusher ram advances steadily in full extension, thrusting straight into this dazzling expanse shimmering with radiant light and rolling thermal surges. Beneath the wild display of flames lies a composed digital control system. Within the well-orchestrated main control room, all intricate physical transformations are translated into dynamic parameters displayed on screens, entirely under precise control. The cold machinery comes alive with human warmth. At this spark-splattering working front, craftsmen's concentration and hard work safeguard this blazing production journey. Forged through countless refinements and tempered by raging flames to form pure incandescent coke, the blazing hot red coke is slowly extruded from the coke oven carbonization chamber. Thick plumes of flue gas swirl amid surging thermal currents, while clouds of high-temperature steam billow upward, spreading across the entire coking plant workshop. This is the supreme romance inherent to heavy industry. Behind the dissipating smoke and dust lies a solid industrial foundation. As an outstanding global supplier of metallurgical turnkey projects, SMG delivers customized, professional, reliable, and cost-effective integrated, intelligent steel manufacturing solutions backed by comprehensive and dependable one-stop delivery capabilities. Choose SMG. Live up to your trust.